Hello friends. Welcome to Speak English with Shree. Today you will learn English through a long and simple story. This story is specially made for beginners. Please listen carefully. You can pause the video and repeat the sentences. Let us begin.
Day 2. The power of daily practice. In a small village surrounded by fields and trees, there lived a boy named Ravi. Ravi was a very simple boy. He did not have big dreams at first. He only wanted to live a peaceful life. Ravi's family was poor. His father worked hard in the farm every day. His mother took care of the house. They loved Ravi very much. But they could not give him many things. Ravi went to a government school. The school building was old. The classroom benches were broken. But Ravi liked going to school. Ravi liked many subjects. He liked history. He liked drawing. But English was his biggest fear. When the English teacher entered the class, Ravi felt nervous. His hands started shaking. His heart started beating fast. When the teacher asked questions in English, Ravi looked down. He did not want to speak. He was afraid of making mistakes. Some students in the class were very good at English. They spoke fluently. They laughed when Ravi spoke wrong sentences. One day, a student laughed loudly at Ravi. Ravi felt very bad. That day, he did not eat his lunch. He sat alone under a tree. While sitting under the tree, Ravi thought deeply. He asked himself, "Why am I afraid? Why can others speak English and I cannot?" That day, Ravi made a strong decision. He decided to change himself. He decided to face his fear. That evening, Ravi went home and talked to his father. His father listened quietly. Then his father said, "Son, nothing is impossible. You just need patience and practice." These words touched Ravi's heart. The next day, Ravi started his English journey. He did not start big. He started very small. Every morning, Ravi learned 5 English words. He wrote them in a notebook. He spoke them loudly. He watched simple English videos on his phone. He listened carefully. He repeated every sentence. At night, Ravi stood in front of the mirror. He spoke to himself in English. He smiled at himself. He corrected himself. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he felt bored. But he did not stop. Days passed slowly. Weeks passed quietly. Ravi was changing without realizing it. One day, his teacher asked him to read a paragraph. Ravi stood up. His voice was slow, but clear. He read the full paragraph. The teacher clapped. The class was silent. Ravi felt proud. After that day, Ravi started speaking more. He asked questions. He answered questions. He was no longer afraid. People in the village noticed the change. They said, "Ravi is becoming confident." Ravi smiled. He knew his journey was still long. But he also knew one thing. If you practice daily, if you believe in yourself, you can change your life. Ravi was no longer a scared boy. He was a learner. He was a fighter. And his journey had just begun. Moral: small daily practice creates big success.